Hello everyone, so I've got the August Sketchbox today, and look at this lovely artwork. I'm wondering if this art is from the charcoal box that I was not a super fan of, but look at, some people can do amazing things with charcoal. It's just not my medium, but that's a beautiful portrait there by Anne Higgins, I'm guessing. Building suspense, a sweet, whoops, get inside. Okay, well let's see what we can just pull out. Ooh, things are falling. We got an empty box here, and lots of things, and some tissue. I forgot that there was this giant brochure. Let me see if I can zoom out a little. That's a little better. I'm gonna stick it just kind of just on the outside of the frame there. And let's just get rid of this tissue paper. Alright, we have, ooh, this is a very colorful piece of artwork here. I feel like I should know, is this Art Deco style? I'm not 100% sure on that, but it almost looks like maybe an Asian inspiration. I could be totally wrong on that, but by this person here. Very lovely. And very green in tone too, very colorful. Alright, ooh, look what we have here. This is intriguing. It looks like colored pencils, and look at, oh my goodness, my favorite color. Okay, I have a collection of different bags and things, but they do excite me because I love containing things in boxes and bags. It's real light material. But hey, can have another bag, and it says Sketchbox. What does this say here? 100% cotton on the outer, 100% polyester on the inner. It's washable. Look at that. Nice black. It's not going to stain. I don't need another thing to put stuff in, but boy is it fun. Look, you can hang it. Oh, I just like this. It's got a nice zipper. Anyway, cute. That is just, we'll set that aside. What does it say about that? Let's open up. Sketchbox signature pencil case. Love, love, love the color. And it says they partnered with a woman-owned and operated manufacturer that only uses recycled fabric. Now, I mean, for travel, it says a travel case. It feels a little bit lightweight. Like, you're gonna not want to put anything in there that needs protection, I guess, is what I'm trying to say, because it's not going to protect it from being thrown in. I mean, I'm rough on stuff. I throw stuff in a bag, pull it out, but it is super cute, and if you're not going far and your things are sturdy, like, you know, good sturdy marker, that should be fine. We have our sticker, which has lots of beautiful colored pencils coming out. I like that. And then, what else should we look at? How about this? It's really orange here. Sketchbox, excuse me, exclusive ugly book. 4 by 5.5 inches, 48 pages. This unique sketchbook offers a toned park green paper and is perfect for color pencils. Paired with the travel case and colored pencil set, this box is the perfect travel companion for the artist on the go. Wow! Wow! Woo! It is, definitely makes an impression here. Orange is not my favorite color, and this green is interesting. It reminds me of like copy paper that somebody accidentally put in the printer, but let's see if it fits in here. I would hope it does, because they said bring it together. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's gonna fit in there. Yeah, cute. And it's, you know, can get beat up. I don't know about the paper. It doesn't say anything about what kind of paper it is. Let's see. Thicker than copy paper. Probably not great for water, but we shall see, won't we? Although there's not a lot of water media, but, you know, I can throw some water at it just in case to try it out. Anyway, let's get and see, put something down on here. What else do we have? We have, let's just do this guy right here. The Faber-Castell Creative Marker in white is a 1.5 millimeter. It says it's suitable for a variety of surfaces and creates striking graphic elements to any artwork. White as snow. That's a very nice name. Okay. Nice. Now, my pet peeve, or it's kind of a pet peeve, it's not really, but I don't know. Somehow I just expect a white marker to stay white, but most of the white markers, they fade as they dry, and they're sort of translucent, not as opaque as I would like. But of course, what am I expecting? I'm expecting it to be a paint marker, because with a paint you would have that, but anyway, so it's hard to please me on a white marker. It's actually not that bad, but it does fade slightly as it's drying. I don't even know if you can see that. But probably you can layer to get more opacity, because that's usually what you can do. It seems to be pretty nice on this paper. So far, so good. I mean, it's not super wet, this marker, but no problems there. This is a finesse colored pencil blender. It says soften edges, smooth features, and create watercolor effects. Watercolor effects with this fast drying blender. Well, and look at that, it's dual tipped. We'll have to try this out after opening the pencils. This is a fine tip here, and this one is a bold tip, so it says. That's interesting. Yeah, I have colored pencil blender pencils I think I've used, and I've used the Holbein, oh, my printer's making noise, excuse it, Holbein colored pencil blender solution. So this will be fun to try. That's a nice, this would be so much easier than the Holbein one because you don't need a paintbrush. Let's see. Now, this is very exciting. Look at these beautiful colors. You know I love colors. And I have a set of 12 polychromos. This is custom Faber-Castell polychromos pencil 8 set. I don't know, it's worded weird there. But I'm pretty sure I'd have to like pull out each one. At first I was like, oh no, I don't have a lot of repeats. I don't think I have any repeats in this set. So that is a bonus for me because these will work super well with the basic 12. Now I will try to check on that and verify, hopefully if I remember, like put a note in the video or something. But look at this. This is my favorite color right here. What is this color? Cobalt Green 156. I'm going to start with that one because I don't think I need to write Faber-Castell polychromos, but these are excellent pencils. I believe they're an oil-based colored pencil, and they're a little bit harder than, like, say, Prismacolor, which is the wax-based artist grade colored pencil. I love my Prismacolors, and they blend nicely together. But I got the set of 12 a while ago to try these out, and I did notice they are harder. I don't notice it a ton, but I haven't used them much, so I'm not an expert in either, but I'm definitely not an expert in these. Let's see. I guess we're just going to go in random order. We have Naples Yellow. And then we have Fuchsia. I always have to check the spelling on the Fuchsia because it's a weird one. Or at least it's unfamiliar to me. And, but yeah, I'm just gonna leave the number off of these ones, I guess. And then we have Grass Green. Ooh, fun. These are very fun summery colors. Should we do a little sad little piece of grass there? And Cadmium Orange. what's this one called? Red Violet. I don't know why I'm just doing lines. I could just... that is... It just looked very red violet, but it's mulberry type color. Ultramarine. Ooh, look, I'm gonna layer them a little bit. And finally, mauve. Mauve. Interesting. This is not the color I think of when I think of mauve. What do you guys think? What is mauve? Is that one of those? I do find that purple or violet, purple basically, is a controversial color. Lots of people have different ideas of it. Some lean more towards a blue, some lean more towards red, and everything in between. Of all the colors, I think there's more opinions on the color purple that differ than probably any other color. I was just about to write purple. This one is called mauve. I cringe. I don't know why that just does not seem like the right name for me. Like, this to me looks like a violet. What do you guys think? And we'll get close here so you can see the colors. Look at that. Yeah, I don't know. Mauve I think of as like a pinky, light purple color. But see, I can't even describe it. I had this fun book that was all about color. The Secret Lives of Color, I think. I have it. I love that book. But it has an interesting section on the different purples. You gotta look that up. Oh, let me see. There's no red in this. And I've got these all over the yellow color spectrum here. I've got them all kind of mixed up. I think I'm going to put them in a little bit of a rainbow order. Where would this one go? Maybe... I'm not sure where to order these. I'm going to go like that and try to do some... Should I do like a little blending circle thing? You stay put. It's called Color Wheel. I think, what? I have 8, so if I section this off. Whoa, in very terrible sections. That's 8, right? Okay. Let me just lightly see what I can do here. This is not good. This is, you know, mediocre. I'm going for a solid, mediocre color wheel here. And I hope that's okay. I'm gonna do just like a little pie wedge of the color, and then I'll try to like add them to the edges more. Layer. That's what... I don't have words today, do I? We'll speed this up a little bit. Okay, look at our little color wheel. Whoops, I can't get close enough. Ah, there's a shelf in the way. Look at our little color wheel. So we got lots of lovely colors there. It's pretty interesting. I don't think I can get a really good red, but actually I didn't try with the... I wonder if I mix... Let me try with like... Just see what happens with these 3. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe if I just need to play around some, I guess, to figure out what colors I can make here interesting. And maybe I won't get a perfect red. Oh, I forgot all about this. Let's see. We have our blender here. Whoa, whoa, the green is really popping on this page. Okay. That's going to be interesting. It has a, what do you call it? Oh my goodness. Words. Smell. Fragrance to it. Light fragrance. So this one picks up some color on the tip. Boy, I picked up a lot of color there. I hope it's blending more than just removing color. Maybe I just went at it a little too heavy-handed there. Let's try this side. This reminds me of a stamping like pen, blender pen that I had way back. I wonder what is in here. Like, what is this solution? Does it even say? Does not say. Either there or there. So I might have to look that up. It does blend it out. But what's in there that it blends oil colored pencils? Don't know. Have to check that out. Well, this is fun. Okay, and lastly, before I go off to try to make something, let's see, there's the watercolor effects, lovely blending. Ah, that's what I was looking for. The prompt is summer, which there's all kinds of stuff that one could do for summer, but on this, I don't know. Let's see how we do here. Yep, our white is just kind of sits, it does sit on top, but it sort of blends in, and ooh, it picks up some of the color too. Oh, look at that, lovely, get a lovely pastel color there. I don't think I want that though. So that's gonna have to be careful about that. If you go over the top of it, it definitely picks it up. Let me see, this feels dry. Now, do I have that problem? I don't seem to have that problem with it picking up the pencil over the stuff that I've blended. Interesting. Ooh, let's do on the cover. Yay, lovely. Alright, let's do something with this. And as always, thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful and creative day.